first one is keto nachos. So for this recipe, we're going to be using my tortilla, and I'm going to go ahead and cut this up into 6 slices. Now, if you haven't tried my 3 different tortilla recipes, guys, you're missing out. And you can turn them into tortilla chips quick and easy in the microwave, toaster oven, or my personal favorite, deep fried. Here's the quick and easy microwave version before and after. Now look at how they withstand being dropped in this bowl. And whether you want to use that chicken you just pulled off the grill, or keep it super simple like me and use some rotisserie chicken, you just want to get that chicken shredded or diced up. Now in a microwave safe dish, we're going to combine 2 tablespoons butter, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon ground cumin, 1/4 teaspoon chili powder, then a dash of salt. Then place it in the microwave till the butter is fully melted. Then give it a quick stir to make sure your ingredients are well incorporated. Add your chicken, then stir it in until it's evenly coated. Spread your chips out on a microwavable dish. Take that delicious seasoned chicken, spread it over your nachos, add some cheese, microwave, and you have some delicious carnivore nachos. And if you're keto, you can top it with some tomatoes and lettuce. Now this second one is a game changer. Most of us on a ketogenic diet know about egg roll in a bowl. But have you ever heard of an egg roll roll-up? Now I'm using avocado oil here. I love the flavor, and I'm going to use 1 to 2 tablespoons. Next I'm going to use toasted sesame seed oil, and I love the flavor this brings to my dishes, and that will also be 1 to 2 tablespoons. Now add 1 teaspoon minced garlic, and you want to continue to stir and fry it until your garlic gets a nice golden hue to it. Then add some soy sauce or aminos if that's what you choose. Give that a good mix, and then you'll add your shredded or diced chicken. Now give it a good mix to ensure you get that creamy butter, savory garlic, and salty soy sauce well incorporated. Now it's time to add our shredded cabbage. Now if you love dicing your veggies and want to chop up some cabbage, feel free to. But hey, I'm lazy, I'm using the bag cabbage. Now if using bag cabbage, make sure to look for big pieces of cabbage like this and remove them from the recipe. They will give an overpowering cabbage taste. Now you want to continue to stir this cabbage until it becomes al dente. In a large pan, add your grease. I'm using lard. You can use whatever you would like. Now this recipe has a secret weapon. It's a toothpick, and you'll see where we'll use this in a minute. Now it's time to get out the pan of that delicious filling we just made earlier. You want to take a heaping spoon, and I mean a heaping spoonful of this, and spread it out across the tortilla. Then with your thumb and pointer finger, you're going to grab the edges of the tortilla and pull the filling inward. Then, once you've got it in place, you want to pull the tortilla tightly over it. Now it's time to get out that toothpick, and we're going to get this secured. Go ahead and push it through the tortilla, place it to the side, and start your next one. Now it's time to get these things in the fryer. And guys, this step is very important. Make sure when you finish these off that they are on this side. This will allow them to drain so much better before placing them on your paper towel. And if you haven't checked out my 5-year success video, here's the link right here. Guys, thanks so much for watching. And as always, I will see you in the next video.